If a full-scale war were to erupt between India and Pakistan, military assessments suggest that India would likely dominate in a conventional conflict due to its superior numbers, technology, and logistics. India maintains a standing army of approximately 1.4 million active personnel, with an additional 1.1 million in reserves, compared to Pakistan's 650,000 active troops and around 500,000 reserves. On land, India fields over 4,500 tanks and 9,000 armored vehicles, while Pakistan operates around 2,400 tanks and 3,000 armored vehicles, giving India a significant edge in ground warfare. In the air domain, India also holds a technological and numerical advantage. The Indian Air Force, IAF, commands more than 2,100 aircraft, including over 600 fighter jets such as the Su-30 MKI, Rafale, Tejas, Mirage 2000, and MiG-29. The Pakistan Air Force, PAF, with roughly 1,400 aircraft, relies heavily on the JF-17 Thunder, jointly developed with China, F-16s, and older Mirage 3V fighters. While Pakistan's pilots are well-trained and its air force is nimble, India's technological edge, especially with advanced platforms like the Rafale and superior radar systems, offers greater air dominance potential. On the seas, the Indian Navy is vastly larger and more advanced, with one operational aircraft carrier, INS Vikrant, over 150 ships, and 15+ submarines, including nuclear-powered vessels. In contrast, the Pakistan Navy operates a modest fleet of about 50 ships, including 8 to 9 submarines, mostly conventional. India's maritime surveillance, strategic reach, and access to blue-water operations give it clear supremacy in naval operations. In terms of missile systems, both countries have advanced ballistic and cruise missile capabilities. India's Agni and BrahMos missile systems are among the most advanced in Asia, offering land, sea, and air-launched options. Pakistan maintains credible deterrence with its Shaheen and Babar missile systems, though with a more limited range and payload diversity. Critically, both India and Pakistan are nuclear-armed nations. India has a declared no-first-use policy, while Pakistan maintains strategic ambiguity, which includes a doctrine of potential first use in the face of overwhelming conventional defeat. Each side possesses an estimated 160 to 170 nuclear warheads, but their deployment strategies differ, and any escalation into nuclear conflict would be devastating for both. Lastly, India's edge is reinforced by its defense alliances, larger economy, and indigenous military production capabilities through organizations like DRDO and HAL. Pakistan, while strategically positioned and experienced in asymmetric warfare, relies more heavily on imports from China and the US. In summary, India holds a significant advantage in a conventional war, on land, in the air, and at sea. However, due to the presence of nuclear weapons and the immense human, economic, and geopolitical consequences of war, any conflict between the two would likely